Good afternoon, everyone. Our lovely guests are here. I request them to take a seat on the stage. Come on, everybody, give a big round of applause for them. Come on, I need to hear big clap. Come on. It gives me immense pleasure and joy to welcome you all to our cultural event called Bal Sabha. Bal Sabha is a joyous occasion where we celebrate the growth, achievements and boundless potential of our little stars. As we celebrate this joyous occasion of our Bal Sabha, it brings immense delight to the youngest members of our school community. Our junior KG Apple class is here with us today. Their innocence, enthusiasm and boundless energy adds a special charm to our festivities. Despite their tender age, they have already begun to embark on their journey of learning and discovery. Let us cherish these precious moments as we witness their adorable performance and applaud their budding talents. To our kindergarten kids, you are the stars of today's show, and your presence fills our hearts with warmth and joy. Thank you for gracing us with a delightful presence. As we gather here today, let us make a moment to remember our founder, late Srinivas Kulkarni sir. Sir's legacy continues to inspire us. His dedication to education and unwavering commitment to our school community left an indelible mark on all of us. Though Sir may no be longer with us in the person, Sir's spirit lives on in the hearts and the minds of all who had the privilege of knowing Sir. Let us honor their memory by carrying forward the values and ideals they instilled in us as we strive to uphold the standard of excellence they say. May Sir's soul rest in peace. Our founder, the beloved evergreen, ever charming Srimati Jayashree Madam, has equally contributed to this dream. Without her support or hard work, we would not be bearing the fruits of today. She is indeed our godmother. I also want to pay my respects to our dynamic, captivating and astute Principal Mr. Prasad Kulkarni sir, who works wholeheartedly and steadily to make our school what it is today. Sir's creativity, reach and the vision for excellence and a commitment to nurturing future rising stars. Sir's unwavering dedication to academic achievements, character development and fostering a supportive learning environment has helped us shape the lives of countless students. Under their leadership, our school has flourished, achieving new heights of success and earning accolades along the way. Please join me in expressing our gratitude and admiration of our dearest Sir Prasad Kulkarni. Before we begin this marvelous event, it is always important to remember the greater one, our Creator, our God. I now request our guests, Mrs. Pradnya ma'am, Pooja ma'am, Mrs. Flora ma'am, and our guest of honor, Dr. Mrs. Vaidehi Khare madam, to kindly initiate the event by lighting the lamp, praying to Ma Saraswati and creating an auspicious environment for all of us present here.
Saraswati या कुंदेनं तुषारहार धवला या शुभ्र वस्त्रामृता या वेणावर दंडमती करा या श्वेत पन्नासना या ब्रह्मच्युत शंकर प्रभुती देवी सदा वंदिता सामान सरस्वती भगवती निशेष झाल्या.
I humbly request our ever smiling and ever loving coordinator of the Shishu Vihar to welcome and address to all the present here today.
Thank you, Padma teacher. It is this thinking that makes life worthwhile, and it is with the love of our family and friends that life can be made beautiful. Rainbow after the rain. I am continually inspired by nature, and truly the rainbow is one of the nature's greatest optical phenomena. A very good afternoon to all the dignitaries, guests, and everyone present here. With joy and exultation, I feel privileged to have this opportunity to extend my warmest greeting to our chief guest, Dr. Vaidehi Khare, for accepting our invitation and being a part of this occasion today. Our beloved Pooja ma'am, who is the principal of the college section and the coordinator of the primary section. In spite of her busy schedule, she is here with us today. Not forgetting our most dearest and loving Pradna ma'am, the principal of the secondary section and the headmistress of the pre-primary section. To the world, our parents may be simply a person, but to us, they really mean the world. This sentence is enough to give recognition and respect to the parents. With immense pleasure, on behalf of our management, we welcome our dear parents today. Come on, give them a big round of applause. A very hearty welcome to all our teachers, our staff and our students who are integral part of this institution. Our teachers and our students have been preparing for this day since a long time. Please give them a big round of applause. As the rainbow never fails to bring a smile on people's faces, today I promise you that our little ones of the junior KG Apple class will certainly bring a rainbow smile on your beautiful faces with super extraordinary performances displayed by them. Be a rainbow that is full of hope. That is exactly what a rainbow is all about. A hope for the future, the promise for a better tomorrow. The staff and students will ensure that their performance put forth will be the best. The children today shall convey to all a very strong message. The message of hope and joy, of peace and harmony, which will radiate so beautifully from our little ones who through their innocence have so much to teach us. Their spontaneity, their exclusiveness, their simplicity, their joy, their creativity all contribute to the diversity that make up a rainbow. The rainbow is about our children, a sign of hope, of radiance in their lives, of happiness they give all of us. Without taking much of your time, on this very note, I return the stage to the bunch of stars that are waiting anxiously to shine upon their light today. Parents, thank you so much for being here, and thank you for trusting us and giving your children into our hands. You must have been knowing that the little seed that was sown nearly more than 50 years ago by our Sir Srinivas Kulkarni with his own 3 children have grown up into such a big tree today. And we are all so proud of this institution. And I hope you are also proud about the institution, and we assure you that your children are in safe hands with us. Thank you. Enjoy the program. Please cooperate by encouraging your children, boosting them when they go on the stage. Don't clap only for your children, but all the children that go on the stage. I will not repeat and say, parents, clap kara. No, you need to clap for every child going on the stage while taking their prizes and also while they are dancing. That will give them an encouragement and a boosting from you. Your little children who were so small when they entered, they were crying the junior KG. But from the mother's lap, they have come to us and they have got all the love and encouragement. And we have taken a lot of pain and trouble to train them today for this lovely Bal Sabha. So parents, please encourage your little children by clapping and cooperate by not moving around here and there for the video, because you are going to get everything on the YouTube and it will be sent to you. Okay? So enjoy the program. Thank you for listening. God bless you all.
Yes, hello everyone, good afternoon. As you can see, our panel, we have some important and special people on the panel today that we could love to introduce. First and foremost, our beloved, dynamic and wise headmistress of our secondary section, Mrs. Pratnya Rajupadhyay, ma'am, who has intensely worked towards Sau Lakshmi Bai English Medium School and Junior College and Shishu Vihar for a beautiful 3 decades. Her guidance, vision, devotion and support nudges us towards greater success and prosperity. The love and care she showers upon the staff, the teachers and especially the children is unmatched. Her strength and determination to make Shishu Vihar what it is today is a testament of incredible courage and resilience. Please give her a big round of applause. We welcome our loved, inspiring, soft-spoken, respected Pooja Kulkarni ma'am, the headmistress of Junior College section of Sau Lakshmi Bai and the coordinator of primary section. She works tirelessly to make sure we have the best learning experiences. Let's give ma'am a big round of applause. Flora ma'am. We would love to introduce the heart of our institution, our dearest coordinator, Mrs. Flora DeCosta ma'am. Her entire life has been dedicated towards Shishu Vihar. She is our dear mother and she radiates her love. Her commitment towards the kids, teachers and the community is truly inspiring. Ma'am has been here since the beginning and has witnessed as well as supported the institution by standing tall and being a pillar of loyalty. We deeply love and appreciate her every day here at Shishu Vihar. Last but not the least, I would love to introduce our special chief guest of the day. Ladies and gentlemen, it is our honor to introduce our esteemed chief guest for today's Bal Sabha event, Mrs. Vaidehi Khare, a MBBS doctor by profession from Government College, Sambhaji Nagar, Aurangabad. Worked as a medical officer in Ruby Hall Clinic, Pune, Family Clinic of Indian Navy in Goa, presently practicing in Mulund. Ma'am is also a marathoner since 10 years. Has joined with us with a wealth of expertise and experience with 20 years of dedicated services. Please join us in extending a warm welcome to Dr. Mrs. Vaidehi Khare. now we move forward with the prize distribution.
Ladies and gentlemen, parents and our honorable rising stars, welcome to our prize distribution ceremony, a momentous occasion where we celebrate the achievements and efforts of our young learners. Today we come together to recognize the dedication, enthusiasm and hard work exhibited by our kindergarten students throughout the academic year. Each of these young minds has shown incredible growth and progress, embracing new challenges with eagerness and determination. As we present these awards, let us not only celebrate their academic achievements but also applaud their creativity, kindness and resilience. To our junior KG Apple class students, you are the shining stars of our school and your smiles light up our hearts. We are immensely proud of each and every one of you. May this ceremony inspire you to continue striving for excellence and embracing the joy of learning. Congratulations to all the students on your well-deserved awards. Let us cherish this moment together and continue to nurture the boundless potential within each and every one of our young learners. I kindly request our guests to come forth and felicitate our kids proudly. Come on, now I invite Vibhuti Kamble, please come on the stage. First prize goes to Vibhuti Kamble, show and tell, singing competition, drawing competition, third patriotic, storytelling, handwriting, clay molding, and speech for fanciness competition. I call Vibhuti's parents, please come on the stage to take a photograph. Please, ma'am, come. Now next I call Ruhi Zadav. First prize goes for patriotic competition, singing competition, fanciness competition, storytelling competition, show and tell, and handwriting competition. I call Ruhi's mom up on the stage. Please, Ruhi's mom. Come on, clap for the Ruhi. Come on. Come on, children, clap your hands. Next comes Hetvi Matre. Hetvi Matre has got the prize for show and tell competition, handwriting competition, singing competition, fancy dress competition, and clay molding competition. I request Hetvi's mom to come on the stage. Please, Hetvi's mom, please come. Next is Sanvi Babal. Please, Sanvi Babal. Sanvi Babal and her mom, please come on the stage. The prize goes to patriotic competition for Sanvi, singing competition, clay molding competition, fancy dress competition, and storytelling competition. Come on, clap for that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Next prize goes to Rui Katare. I request Rui Katare and her mom on the stage, please. The prize goes for Rui Katare for patriotic competition, drawing competition, shloka competition, clay molding competition. Yes, Rui's mom, please come on the stage. Drishti. Come on, Drishti. Come on, clap for them, children. Come on, Drishti Gaurav. Clay molding competition, handwriting competition, and patriotic competition. Come on, everyone, clap. Next is Riyashi Savarkar. Third prize goes to patriotic competition. Fourth prize, show and tell competition and drawing competition. Next is Sneha Deshpande. Come on, children, clap for her. Second prize goes for poetry recitation and show and tell competition. Please everyone clap for them. This is Avni Salunke. Avni Salunke, please come on the stage. First prize goes to Avni Salunke for drawing competition. Come on everyone clap for Avni. Next is Dhruva Padtare. The prize goes for her for patriotic competition. Come on, clap for her. Next is Bhavika Narsade. She gets a prize for clay molding competition. Come on, everyone, clap for her. Next is Viha Patel. The prize goes to Viha Patel for clay molding competition. Come on, clap for her. Now we begin with the boys. Now I request Yajat Lilakar and his mom on the stage. The prize goes for patriotic competition, poetry recitation, singing competition, clay molding competition, fancy dress competition, and show and tell competition. Come on, everyone, give a big round of applause. Come on, let me hear. Now Prithvi Kamble. Prithvi Kamble gets prize in poetry recitation, show and tell competition, storytelling competition, singing competition, fancy dress competition, clay molding competition. Come on, everyone, clap for him. Next is Divij Chavia. He gets a prize for poetry recitation, patriotic competition, drawing competition. Come on, children, clap for him. Next is Darshan Dalvi. The prize goes for drawing competition and clay molding competition. Darshan Gupta. He gets prize in clay molding competition and costume fancy dress competition. Come on, everyone, clap. Next is Risham Khande. Risham Khande, please come. Risham Khande gets the prize for poetry recitation, costume fancy dress competition. Next is Omkar Manchekar. He gets the prize for clay molding competition and drawing competition. Next is Kaivalya Khadke. Kaivalya Khadke gets prize for poetry recitation and handwriting competition. Next is Vijay Mande. Next is Vijay Mande. He gets the prize for drawing competition. Next is Ansh Kori. He gets a prize for drawing competition. Next is Kriyash Jagtap. Gets a prize for show and tell competition. Next is Vedaj Gaikwad. He gets the prize for show and tell competition. He gets a prize in show and tell competition. Next is Vihan Hile. He gets a prize for drawing competition. Next is Shravan Mestri. Come on, everyone, clap for him. Shravan gets prize for costume fancy dress competition. Now with this, we end our prize distribution program. All volunteer parents, please come on the stage. Volunteer parents.
I would love to call upon our chief guest, Mrs. Vaidehi Khare ma'am, to share a few thoughts and address the crowd.
Good afternoon to all of you. I immensely thank Sandhya ma'am, Pooja ma'am, Fiona ma'am and all the teachers for making me a part of this program, Bal Sabha, and as it is ideally titled Rainbow, as I can see, I was welcomed, given a very warm and a grand welcome, and see all the kids dressed up so beautifully. Each attire is different, and I can see that the parents, the mothers, have taken a lot of care and effort goes in to dress up the kids in such a beautiful manner, and they actually can be seen. I can call all these kids as rainbows because they are all in different costumes, different colors, different attires. Such a pleasure to be here, and I'm seriously thankful for all of you to invite me over here. So, as I'm a practicing doctor, I can't but help giving a few tips, I would say, or advice to the children, but they are too young, so all this goes out to the parents. So whatever I give, I mean advice, because the kids are too young, this all extends to the parents. आणि मी मराठी समजतं का सगळ्यांना? मराठीमध्ये बोलते मी. सो आजकालच्या धकाधकीच्या जीवनामध्ये आपण बऱ्यापैकी म्हणजे आपण जे लहानपण घालवलं आहे ॲज पेरेंट्स ते ह्या मुलांपासून एकदमच वेगळं आहे. कारण टेक्नॉलॉजी एवढी वाढली आहे आणि एव्हरीथिंग हॅज चेंज इन द लास्ट 20 years. There are few pieces of advice that I would give to because these are all young mothers and I've been through all this say 25 years back. What I would love to tell the parents is to inculcate a habit of reading in the kids. सगळ्यांना वाचायची सवय लहानपणापासून लावली पाहिजे, म्हणजे आपोआपच त्यांचा गॅजेट टाइम कमी होईल ह्या मुलांचा. आणि थँकफुली वी आर आउट ऑफ कोविड, त्याच्यामुळे आता ऑनलाईन वगैरे हे करायची काही आता ह्या मुलांना तरी गरज नाही आणि पुढेही पडू नये असं मला वाटतंय. त्या ह्याच्यातनं आपण व्यवस्थित टाऊन सुलाखून बाहेर आलोय. सो ही इतकी लहान मुलं आहेत की ह्यांना आपण वाचायला लावू शकतो, पण त्याची आवड निर्माण होईपर्यंत पेरेंट्सनी आय वुड से कॉन्ट्रीब्युशन आईचं आणि वडिलांचं दोन्ही तितकंच असलं पाहिजे दोन्ही मुलांच्या ह्याच्यामध्ये वाढवण्यामध्ये. सो इनिशियली 4, 5, 6 वर्षांची मुलं होईपर्यंत इफ पेरेंट्सनी त्यांना वाचून दाखवलं, रीडिंग आउट स्टोरीज किंवा हे झोपायच्या आधी फक्त अर्धा तास, तर ही आवड निर्माण होऊ शकते मुलांमध्ये. आणि त्याच्यानंतर तुम्ही प्रोग्रेस करू शकता स्मॉल स्टोरीजच्या ह्याच्या, अमर चित्रकथा किंवा जे कार्टून्सचे बुक्स आहेत. सो ह्याप्रमाणे आपण वाचायची आवड मुलांमध्ये निर्माण करू शकतो. इट विल गो अ लॉंग वे इन द डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ द चाइल्ड. कारण शाळेमध्ये पुस्तकांमधनं टेक्स्टबुक्समधनं आपल्याला शिकवलंच जातं. होलिस्टिक डेव्हलपमेंट करण्यासाठी वाचन हे खूप आवश्यक आहे. हा एक मुद्दा झाला. आणि दुसरी गोष्ट, जसं मी म्हटलं, वाचन वाढवल्यावर स्क्रीन टाइम आपला कमी होऊ शकतो. बऱ्याच वेळेला मला ॲज अ डॉक्टर आढळून येतं की आपलं काम कमी करण्यासाठी किंवा सगळं सोपं करण्यासाठी आया मुलांना एंटरटेन करायला बघतात. 6 महिन्यांच्या मुलांना, 1 वर्षाच्या मुलांना मोबाईल समोर धरून. सो ते मूल बराच वेळ गप्प बसतं, पिक्चर्स वेगवेगळे हलतायत समोर, कलरफुल काहीतरी दिसतंय. पण हे एक तर नंबर 1 डोळ्यांसाठी चांगलं नाही. आणि दुसरी गोष्ट, ते मूल कधी डिपेंडेंट होऊन जातं त्या मोबाईलवरती आपल्याला कळत नाही. सो मैदानी खेळ, आता मैदानं कमी राहिली आहेत, पण जे काय अवेलेबल आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये आपण मुलांना आउटडोर प्लेइंग किंवा आउटडोर ऍक्टिव्हिटीज साठी आपण एनकरेज करू शकतो. आणि स्क्रीन टाइम कमी करायचा, कारण झालंय काय, स्क्रीन टाइममुळे आपला अटेन्शन स्पॅन कमी झालाय. आई वडिलांना पण हे पटत असेल की एक लांब लेख आला की आपण स्क्रोल करतो आणि संपून टाकतो. सो आपलं जे अटेन्शन स्पॅन आहे ते 1 किंवा 1.5 मिनिटांच्या राहिलं नाही आणि अनफॉर्च्युनेटली मुलांमध्ये पण आढळून आलंय. दिस इज ऑल थँक्स टू स्क्रीन टाइम, इट कॅन बी टीव्ही टाइम, इट कॅन बी मोबाईल टाइम. सो ह्याला एकच सोपा उपाय की ॲज अ गिफ्ट तुम्ही मुलाला की त्याचं काय होमवर्क किंवा हे करून झालं की त्याला अर्धा तास हा मोबाईलसाठी आणि अर्धा तास टीव्हीसाठी हा डेझिग्नेट करून द्यायचा तुमच्या सोयीस्कर वेळेवरती. तो संध्याकाळी 6:30 ते 7 यू आर अलाउड टू सी टीव्ही, यू आर अलाउड टू सी मोबाईल, असा एक वेळ फिक्स करायचा. मग ते रुटीनमध्ये होऊन जातं आणि त्याचा अतिरेक पण होतो. थर्ड थिंग अगेन की आपण म्हणतो प्रोसेस्ड फूड किंवा जंक फूड ह्या गोष्टींपासून ह्या मुलांना, कारण काय असतं ते फूड नक्कीच जास्त टेस्टी असतं आपल्या भाजी पोळीपेक्षा. सो पटकन द चिल्ड्रन दे रीच आउट टू इट. आणि इट इज व्हेरी इझी टू जस्ट ओपन अ पॅकेट ऑफ चिप्स. 10 रुपये असतं, काही फार महाग पण नसतं. पण त्याचे लॉंग टर्म इफेक्ट जे आहेत की आम्ही बघतो ॲज डॉक्टर्स, चाइल्डहुड ओबेसिटी ही आता वाढत चालली आहे मुलांमध्ये. कारण हे इझी हाय कॅलरी फूड आहे, इझी फूड आहे, त्याला प्रिपरेशन लागत नाही, काही नाही. प्रोसेस म्हणजे मॅगी करायला 2 मिनिटं लागतात, भाजीपोळी करायला मे बी अर्धा पाऊण तास लागतो. सो आणि त्याची आवड, त्याची टेस्ट या मुलांना लहानपणापासूनच आपण ही करायला पाहिजे. कारण एकदा ती चटकदार किंवा हे खायची सवय लागली की मुलं मग भाजीपोळीकडे वळत नाही. आणि मग पुढे मग ते कॉलेजमध्ये स्विगी आणि हे ते सगळं चालू असतं. इट प्रोग्रेसेस लाईक दॅट. सो हे सगळं करणं आवश्यक आहे की मुलांना काही वेळ, म्हणजे आता ही मुलं खूपच लहान आहेत पण अर्धा 1 तास बसायची त्यांना सवय लागली पाहिजे. असं काहीतरी पेरेंट्सनी करायला पाहिजे. सो ह्या काही टिप्स मला कारण पुढे हे चाइल्डहुड ओबेसिटी, डायबिटीज आणि ह्याच्यामध्ये ट्रान्सलेट होतं, जे आपल्याला अजिबात नको आहे. सो या हेल्थच्या गोष्टी आहेत काही. आणि तुम्ही तर सगळ्या सुज्ञ आहातच. आणि आय एम शुअर द स्कूल इज टेकिंग इनफ केअर. होलिस्टिक डेव्हलपमेंट काय चालू आहे माझ्या डोळ्यांसमोर मी बघतेच आहे की फक्त अभ्यासावर ही शाळा स्ट्रेस देत नाही. ओव्हरऑल ऍक्टिव्हिटीज किंवा हे जे फंक्शन्स आहेत, पिकनिक्स आहेत, जसं तुम्ही मेन्शन केली सगळी ऍक्टिव्हिटी लिस्ट, ती ऐकून मला खूप समाधान वाटलं. कारण मुलांच्या ओव्हरऑल डेव्हलपमेंटसाठी हे खूप आवश्यक आहे. आणि अर्ध काम तुमची शाळा करते, बाकी घरचा जो वेळ आहे तो कम्प्लिटली पेरेंट्सची रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी असते. की कशाचाही अतिरेक नाही, हे एकच मूलमंत्र ठेवायचं. अति अभ्यास नाही, अति खेळ नाही, अति मोबाईल टाईम नाही किंवा अति जंक फूड नाही. ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी सांगून किंवा एक ऍडवाइस देऊन ॲज अ सिनियर मी हे माझं भाषण करतो. थँक्यू सो मच फॉर कॉलिंग मी.
Now we call upon Master Yajat Leelakar to come up on the stage to propose a vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, respected Pratyaben, Floraben, our dear teachers, parents, and our dear friends. Myself, Yajat Leelakar from Junior KG Apple class. On behalf of our class, we wish to express our big thank you to one and all for appreciating the efforts of we little kiddos, and we managed to feel the unique and hope we managed to with warm colors, entertainment, with our we little warm colors of and beauty. Thank you so much.
Wow, what a wonderful speech by Master Yajat. Very good. As from Apple class teachers, we would give a vote of thanks. On behalf of our class, we wish to express a big thank you to one and all for appreciating the efforts of you all little kiddos, and hope we managed to fill the evening with warm colors of entertainment with our rainbow warmth and beauty. Honorable Chief Guests, Mrs. Vedahi Khare Ma'am, Pradnya Ma'am, Flora Ma'am, Pooja Ma'am, parents, teachers, volunteers, and most importantly, our young stars, and even the media team. As we prepare to kick off our much anticipated kids event, I would like to take a moment to extend a heartfelt vote of thanks to everyone involved. Firstly, a big thank you to our dedicated teachers and staff members who have worked tirelessly behind the scenes to organize and prepare for today's event. Your creativity and enthusiasm and commitment to our children's well-being are truly commendable. To our wonderful volunteers, thank you for generously offering your time and energy to make this event a success. Your support and dedication are invaluable. We couldn't have done it without you. I want to extend a heartfelt thank you to all the parents who generously contributed the time, creativity, and resources to make the props of the stage decoration. Your dedication and hard work have truly transformed our event space into a magical, colorful rainbow form, the enchanting background to the whimsical props. Your artistic talents have helped bring our event theme to life in the most vibrant and captivating way possible. Thank you once again for your invaluable contribution. I also want to express our gratitude to the parents and guardians for entrusting us with your precious children and for your continued support in all our endeavors. Your involvement and encouragement means a lot to the world of us. I would like to say a big thank you to the non-teaching staff, and even to the peons, that is Jeetu Bhai, Mahesh Bhai, Vishal Bhai, Priyanshu, Sangeeta Maushi, Manisha Maushi, Ram Singh. I would love to thank everyone. I also want, and last but certainly not the least, to our young participants, thank you for your enthusiasm, energy, and boundless imagination. Thank you. It's all about you, and that we can't wait to see your talent shine brightly on stage. As we embark on this exciting journey together, let's cherish every moment, celebrate each other's achievement, and create lasting memories that will be treasured for years to come. Thank you once again to everyone for being a part of this special day. Let the fun begin. Hip hip, hooray! Now I request respected Pooja ma'am to say a few words.
Good afternoon, children. Say hello, everyone. Hello. Hi. I cannot hear. Say everybody hi. Loudly. Hi. Still loudly. Hi. And hello, parents. Hello, everyone. Let me see everybody there. Yes, very good. I think the parents and the children all have gone to sleep. Is it? सगळे जण excited and all are happy? Arey wow, I heard somebody saying, let me see, all are happy? Very good, so nice, lovely children. Everybody, come on, raise your hand, wave your hands. Let me see. Yes, let's see something. And make some noise. Come on, clap everyone. Clap, clap, clap loudly. You know children, you're clapping for your lovely teachers. Come on, clap for your teachers. Everybody loudly, parents, come on. Parents, zara taaliya zordar, please, come on. Zara zordar. Yes, and let us have a big clap for our lovely guest for today, Dr. Vaidehi Khare ma'am. Everybody clap loudly, parents. Zara आवाज होते असं वाटतं सगळे झोपले. Zara छान, active, very good. And let us have a big round of clap for our dearest Pradnya madam. Zordar Taya. And lovely Flora madam. Come on everybody, clap for them. Yes. Parents, जेव्हा आज तुम्ही या बालसभेसाठी आला आहात तर तुम्ही तुमच्या टाळ्या वाजवण्यासाठी एवढा आळस करू नका, कारण आज इथे जवळपास एक महिनाभर तुमच्या छोट्या मुलांना घेऊन या टीचर्स भरपूर मेहनत घेत आहेत अँड दॅट टू अंडर द एबल गायडन्स ऑफ प्रज्ञा मॅडम. कारण ही बालसभा कन्सेप्ट ही त्यांनी स्पेशली डिझाईन केली आहे फॉर लक्ष्मीबाई शिशुविहार. कारण ह्या एका दिवशी प्रत्येकाला इथे स्टेजवर येऊन काहीतरी परफॉर्म करायला चान्स मिळतो. So I think that goes for a big round of applause. Everybody please cheer. And parents, I know it's afternoon, पण आज एक दिवस तुम्ही तुमची झोप सॅक्रिफाईस करू शकता. So I think parents, please don't go to sleep. And not only the mothers, I'm very happy to see so many fathers. Wonderful. It's a weekday today. पण आज भरपूर आई आणि बाबा आज हा सुंदर रेनबो अजून कलरफुल करण्यासाठी आज इकडे आलेले आहेत. सो कम ऑन एव्हरीबडी, क्लॅप वन्स फॉर एव्हरीवन. आय शुड सी Lakshmibai School should echo with all the claps and the applause. Don't stop clapping. Now the little wonders are going to come and perform on the stage. So are you all ready? I can't hear. Are you ready? Louder. Are you ready? Wonderful. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, parents and esteemed guests, it is with the immense joy and pride that we welcome you to our special event featuring a prayer dance performance by our adorable kindergarten students. Today, our youngest stars will take the center stage to share with us a heartfelt and innocent expression of devotion and gratitude. In this endearing performance, our little ones will enchant you with their sweet moments and angelic smiles as they offer prayers through dance. Which state they embody the purity of their hearts and innocence of their souls, reminding us of the beauty and simplicity of faith. As we witness these precious moments unfold, let us be reminded of the profound impact that even the smallest acts of devotion can have. May the sincerity and the joy of a kindergarten student's prayer dance will fulfill your hearts with warmth and inspiration. Without further ado, please join me in giving a warm round of applause to our talented kids, young performers, as they grace the stage with their adorable rendition of the prayer dance.
Gangadi
Yes, dear children, can you see the backdrop? So many colors. There is cloud. There are flowers. There are grass. Grass is growing. You can see a tree growing there, coconut tree. Wow, all colorful, right? Yes. So we call upon Spruha Deshpande to say a few words about rainbow.
Good afternoon, Pranam, Flora, teachers, parents, and my friends. My name is Suhash Pandey, Junior KG, upper class. The rainbow tournament of the sky. Rainbow flock of turtles. The rainbow has 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Rainbow looks really beautiful. Thank you.
Wow, what a speech! Beautiful. So hold on tight as I invite our first troop of bright stars to set the stage on fire with their vibrant dance performances. The color violet symbolizes creativity and imagination, encouraging us to embrace our unique talent and express ourselves authentically. We call upon our first troop.
Make some noise for the makeup boys.
There's a boy in my mind and he knows I'm thinking of him. On my way to the day and the night, the stars shine above me. He's been gone for some time, and I know I truly love him. And I'm singing a song, hoping he'll be back when he hears it. My heart goes sha-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the morning. Sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the sunshine. Sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the evening. Sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la-la, just for you. If your love's gone away just like mine, you feel like crying. Sing along maybe once, maybe twice, let's try it together. Some sweet day, no one knows you'll turn and you'll be happy. Shout it sweet in a song, listen to your heart, it is singing. My heart goes sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the morning. Sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the sunshine.
Yes.
आज तू है पानी 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 और तुम भी सानी 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 आ जाओ तो मेरी तेरी दुनिया बतानी
Wow, what a beautiful performances by the group.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Please don't take my sunshine away. यहाँ हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदली रंग, यहाँ की बोली भी रंगोली साथ रंग। यहाँ हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदली रंग, यहाँ की बोली भी रंगोली साथ रंग। धानी पगड़ी पहने मौसम है, नीली चादर सारे ऊपर है। नदी सुनहरी हरा समंदर है, देश जुदा देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला।
Hello everyone, I am Pilot Prithvi. Dear passenger, Indigo Flight Junior KG upper class is going to take off in a few minutes. Dear passenger, please fasten your seatbelt so that we can take off safely and enjoy the Hawa Hawaii.
Now, the flight number 703-2024 is going to take off for the Hawa Hawaii.
for nothing. I'm an independent diva with a style
शखों पे पत्ते गा रहे हैं, फूलों पे भंवरे गा रहे हैं,
दीवार गिरने गा रहे हैं, ये पंछी गा रहे हैं।
वो बगियों में दो फूलों पूरी हो रही है गुफ्तगू, जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू।
आई 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 ज़ूबी डूबी पंपारा, ज़ूबी डूबी पारांपा।
Zubi-dubi nache, your father's stupid mom. Zubi-dubi pampara, zubi-dubi parapa. Zubi-dubi nache, your father's stupid mom.
I see a rainbow in the sky. I see a rainbow way up high. I see a rainbow, look with me. How many colors can you see? I see red, orange, yellow, green, green. I see blue and indigo, and I see violet, the colors of the rainbow. I see a rainbow in the sky. I see a rainbow way up high. I see a rainbow, look with me. How many colors can you see? I see red, orange, yellow, green. I see blue and indigo, and I see violet, the colors of the rainbow. Rainbow, 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 rainbow. I see a rainbow in the sky. I see a rainbow way up high. I see a rainbow, look with me. How many colors can you see?
A joyful, thankful, and graceful evening to one and all present here. Gratitude shifts your mindset from the state of lacking to the state of abundance. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of those who worked really hard to make this event a grand success. I extend my most sincere thanks to the Almighty God for making today and all the 4 days Bal Sabha a resounding success with His blessings and grace. On behalf of our school, I extend a hearty vote of thanks to our chief guest, Vaidehi Khare, who spared time from her busy schedule and to come and grace this occasion, encouraging and cheering our little angels of Shishuvihar. It was indeed a pleasure, ma'am, to have you with us. Today we had an opportunity to hear your thoughts, and this will surely be going to encourage us in our future events. To all the moms and dads, the advice that Dr. Mrs. Khare has given. I thank our most lovable, caring, supportive and dynamic Pradnya ma'am for her excellent, outstanding leadership. We admire your dedication and passion towards education. I thank our dear parents for their love and support, for being the best audience today, and our lovely kids for their amazing performance. I thank all the teachers who have been preparing our little kids for nearly a month, leaving no stone unturned to see their success in various activities, encouraging, molding, and shaping them for a better tomorrow. I thank our media persons, Vidya and Atharva, for their amazing service. I also extend my special thanks to Harsh for all the support he has given us for this Bal Sabha. I thank our photographer Rajesh and his group for so patiently carrying on the work in spite of the disturbance from the noise of the kids moving around. I thank our office staff and the non-teaching staff for their wholehearted support, not forgetting our LEMS canteen staff for the hot refreshment. Thank you, God, and thank you, and God bless you all. We had a, yes, and of course, this program cannot end without thanking our dear and most lovable and always helpful to the KG section, our Pooja ma'am, who is here today in spite of her busy schedule. I thank you, Pooja ma'am, for making it today. Thank you so much. God bless you all and have a lovely evening.